Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to export a video on ScreenFlow on your Mac. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer and a video you wish to export. So now I can go to the video that was created in ScreenFlow, open this up. So we have worked on a video which is in the project. Go to the toolbar, File, Export. We can press Command E to save some time. So Command E, save as, change the video title where you wish the video will be exported, the type manual, preset web high. Here is the resolution. We can change this to 640 by 480. 1280 by 720 or 1920 by 1080, which is what we always export in. And now press export. And now this will take some time depending on the length of the video and the quality of the video. If we were exporting in 4K, it would take double the time, but we are exporting in 1080p. Only a minute for a minute video. Close out of the project. And now we have the video exported to the desktop. Click on the video for the moment. This is in 1080p. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.